analysis. So under this, it is asked to calculate gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. So net sales was given here directly. You need not calculate the net sales. And the cost of goods sold is also given directly, 20,000. So in this manner, direct information is given that will be given for short answer questions or AB. If there is AB questions, then this type of easy way of information will be given. Directly administrative expenses was given 8,000 and taxes is 10% on net profit. Okay. So this is no use here. We are not going to use this because after getting net profit only taxes are paid, no. So you need not use this taxes here in calculating gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. So let me open this calci first. And then start doing this calculation of this gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. So first you take down what is the information that was given. So always you have to show the given information. In previous slides I have missed that, but you have to show that. So now take down the formula, calculation of gross profit ratio. Headings also must. You have to give headings. So gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. So gross profit is given, not given here. Only net sales is given. You need to derive this gross profit, right? And we need to derive the net profit also. So net sales is equal to, directly it is given 50,000. You need not calculate. Take down that 50,000 here. And gross profit is equal to, what is the formula that you are going to use here? Sales minus net sales minus cost of goods sold, right? So net sales is given here 50,000. So 50,000 minus here cost of goods sold is given 20,000. No? So that 20,000 I am deducting here. So the remaining is how much? 30,000. 50 minus 20 is giving you 30,000. No? So that 30,000 we got here. So now substitute this in the formula to get the ratio, gross profit ratio. So how much it is? Gross profit is 30,000. So 30,000 divided by, you take net sales is 50,000. No, you substitute that 50,000 here. Multiply it with 100. So 30 divided by 50, how much it will be? 30,000. 3 by 5 you can directly take instead of pressing all these values, because 4 zeros are there now. So you strike off that. 0.6 into 100. So that will give you how much? 60%. That only you show here. 60%. So this, and in the same manner you calculate the net profit ratio also. So how net profit ratio is calculated here? What is the formula? Net profit ratio is equal to net profit divided by net sales into 100. Did you identify the gross profit ratio formula and the net profit ratio formula? So only the numerator is changing, denominator is same. Okay. So now we require net profit. Already net sales is given directly. How we are going to get net profit? Net profit is equal to, what is the formula? Gross profit minus administrative expenses will give you the net profit. Okay. Already we are having this gross profit we have obtained, no, 30,000. So 30,000 minus administrative expenses is given here directly in the problem, 80,000. Substitute that 80,000. 30,000 minus 8,000. Remaining is 22,000. I don't think calci is required here. 30 minus 8 is 22. So 22,000 directly we got here. So substitute these values in the formula. So that 22,000 divided by net sales is 50,000. So multiply it with 100. So how much you will get? 22 divided by 50 into 100. So 44% is the result. So 44% is the net profit ratio. Okay, so that means what these both are indicating is on net sales, gross profit you are going to earn is 60%, and net profit we are going to earn is 44%. We means here the company. So for which company you have taken the information and you are calculating, that company is earning this much of gross profit and net profit. So this profit percentage is very good, no? 44% net profit after all the expenses, the profit earned is 44%. And after manufacturing expenses are covered, the profit that it is going to be earned by the company is 60%. Okay, gross profit indicates that after only the manufacturing expenses, what is the percentage on net sales. Net profit indicates all administrative, selling, every information, every expenses, after covering every expenses. So the percentage on net sales is given by net profit ratio. So because this is 44%, the company's profitability position is good. So that comment you have to give at the end of the calculation. So that's all. Any doubts in understanding this?